Come test drive the 2012 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, keyless entry, CD changer, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, cruise control, premium sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.